Welcome to H. Greg Lux. Here we have a 2021 Chevy Corvette Stingray. This car came with a clean Carfax. In this video, I'll be showing you any dents, scratches, or any wear and tear to the car to the best of our knowledge. First, we'll be going panel by panel. We're going to start with the front bumper. Perfect. Let's take a look at the hood of the car. Also perfect as well. So the front is in excellent condition. Let's take a look at the driver fender and wheel. This fender looks perfect as well. Do not see any dents or scratches, and the wheel has no curb rash. Let's take a look at the driver door. This door looks perfect. I do not see any dents or scratches on here at all. Let's move on to the quarter panel and wheel. This quarter panel is in excellent condition. I'm not seeing a scratch here, and the wheel has no curb rash. Let's move on to the back of the car. Okay, the back bumper and trunk are perfect. There are no scratches at all. Everything here is spotless. Let's move on to the passenger quarter panel and wheel. Everything here is spotless as well on the quarter panel, and the wheel has no curb rash. Let's take a look at the passenger door. This door looks perfect. No dents, no scratches. And the last fender and wheel is spotless as well. Not seeing a scratch here at all, and the wheel has no curb rash. So the exterior of this car is in excellent condition. Now we're going to have a look inside, and we're going to start off with the driver's seat. Perfect. Let's move on to the door panel. Excellent. I'm not seeing any wear and tear here at all. So the driver's side is in good condition. Now we're going to have a look at the passenger side. Perfect. Let's move on to the door panel. The door panel looks perfect as well. So the passenger side is in good condition. Now that I'm inside, let's have a look at the rest of the interior. First, we're going to start off with the radio. This car has navigation, also backup camera. Let's take a look at the center console and make sure that there is no wear and tear at all. Everything here looks perfect. Let's have a look at the steering wheel. Okay, the buttons on here look really good. I'm not seeing any wear on them at all. Let's have a look around the steering wheel. Excellent. So the interior of this car is in perfect condition. Okay, now we're going to have a look at the trunk. And last but not least, the engine bay. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to speak to one of our representatives.